Bishop Lake. I actually think I'm good on water. I don't think I actually need to fill up, but I will have a snack. Phew, stinky mud. Ta-da! Man, look at that cornice. Holy crap. Gotta get way up there. I got to ascend 700 feet. I'm around over 300 feet below the top of the pass right now. Struggling with altitude, being winded and fatigued. Bishop Pass. Second time conquered. From here, it should be a lot easier. It's a lot of, mostly downhill. I think some flat. But I'm taking a well-deserved break. At this rock. At 10:40. I made a mission pass. Hard part done. Man. Rested at 8:75, and I'm leaving at 11:18. That feels good. Good time. Descending 4,000 feet. From about 12 to about 8. Dusy Basin. Ah, it's so beautiful. I'm having such a great time. It's just on the lens. Lake ahead. I think it's an unnamed lake. I'll check my map when I get to camp, and if it has a name, it'll appear on the screen. Looks like I'm going to be doing a water stop here. What a view. So there's some sort of solar powered pole here, some radio antenna, and then there's some metal thing right there. Anybody know what the heck that is? I would love to know. I don't remember that last time. It looks pretty new. I was stopped a while and was talking to a person who's done the Appalachian Trail and the PCT and he asked if he could give me some advice in regards to my pack load, and I was like, sure, I'll consider what you have to say. And he's a very nice guy, interesting to talk to. So lakes, there's some lakes in the distance that I forgot about. I think once I get past those, I'll really start to drop down the last few miles or whatever. It's currently 1 o'clock, running a little late because I stopped to talk to that guy. See, there's the lakes. Very pretty. I don't remember if I go by those or not. I don't think I do. I think I go off that way. To the right. We shall see. So this lake up here, it is the unnamed lake near Rainbow Lakes that I technically, officially plan to camp at, but unofficially I was going to try and make it to LeConte Canyon, which I do believe I can do. There it is. But yeah, I've still got 4 or 5 miles to go. Last I checked, I was at almost 8 miles. So yeah, about 5. Whew. And then, I mean, I'm descending a lot right now. I think this lake is at 10.4. And then, once you get basically over the lip, you start descending like crazy. A couple thousand feet. So, I can't remember how fast I was able to go down that trail, but if I can, I will. If not, well, whatever. I'll get there. Hopefully there's camping spots still available at LeConte. So, just after 2, I refilled water, had a snack. So I was starving. I'm headed to LeConte. So I just refilled my water because I didn't do it when I said I was going to do it last time. So still got a few more miles to go and I'm getting tired. I should be coming up to the switchbacks pretty quick. Pretty quick. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm loving this, despite that I am getting pretty tired. Oh, jeez.
Sorry if I scared you.
It's alright, I didn't see you there. How's it going?
Good. Enjoying your hike?
Very much so.
Yeah, beautiful place.
Oh yeah, it's absolutely stunning.
Yeah. I enjoy your day, man.
Thanks, you too. Happy trails. Should be coming out into the open. How's it going? Happy trails. Here we go. Oh yeah. Switchbacks time. What a view. And that turns into a waterfall. Oh man. Must take pictures, must take pictures. I remember there's a waterfall way out there somewhere that I was able to see last time. But I don't know. I don't see it. Oh well. The Cotton Canyon is like basically at the bottom of this. It's gonna, I think this will give you a better view. It's like way down there.